Hey, what's up guys? I'm Mercy with DiscountLowVoltage.com, and today we're going to install the 6-pair service seal burial enclosure. Now I do want to quickly plug our YouTube channel. Go ahead and subscribe to that for plenty more how-to videos and low voltage product videos. Let's get to it. Let's go ahead and prepare our cable. After we've made a proper cut to the outer jacket, you're going to want the outer jacket to the end of the copper conductors to be 5 inches. Underneath the outer jacket you have your shield. Now between the shield to the end of the copper conductors you're going to want 4 inches. And under the shield you have a core tape. That core tape needs to be 3 7/8 of an inch to the end of your copper conductors. Now Cat 3 cable has a light twist. You may want to cut a little bit more off the jacket at first just to keep your pairs separated. You may also need to tone and probe your wire further down the road to figure out which conductor goes where. You'll notice there's a couple of insertion grooves. Put on the cable and then go ahead and put on your cap, bond, and ram connector. Your nut and bolt should be loose enough for you to put your shield underneath it properly. Once it's in there properly, tighten the bolt for the top and bottom clamp to secure properly. Now that your cable is secured properly, we need to splice each wire. You will need UI connectors. These connectors accept 1 pair, so 2 conductors. Place 1 wire of each splice through the slot. Stagger wire pair lengths. Continue procedure until all the pairs you need done are finished. Stagger your splices around the ram. Grab your filled closure and screw it on to the ram. Continue to screw cap assembly until cap has snapped over the anti-removable tabs. Tighten your cable with vinyl wrap at the bottom and you're done. And there it is. It really is that easy. You can go ahead and order all this stuff online at DiscountLowVoltage.com. The enclosure, the UIs, the tools, the cable, and don't forget to Facebook us. Thanks.